Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset your tab. To factory reset your tab, first let's go to Settings and scroll all the way down. Enter System, and now find Reset. Select it, and now select Reset All Settings, Mobile Network Settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Settings, Accessibility Settings, or Factory Data Reset. Remember that this reset will erase all data from your tablet, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, and more. Basically, this will reset to factory defaults. Confirm, draw your pattern, and delete all. Before, make sure that your tab has backup done. Now, confirm your verification number, enter your password, and the tab will automatically reset to defaults. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.